Hey guys, this is Lacey with Rays of Hope Garden, and I'm about to show you a video of me harvesting and winnowing sunflower seeds. I set up a fan to make the process easier, and it blows away all the shells without kernels in them. And I think that I had a pollination issue because I haven't seen that many honeybees in the area. Like, we've had hummingbirds and butterflies, but I've only seen like one bee like all season. Okay, so these are the mammoth sunflowers, and these little things right here are the individual flowers that get pollinated, and you just rub them off, pick them off real easy. Anyways, that's basically it. You just rub it with your finger, just scratch it, and it comes off like that. And this one is more dry, so I'm going to show you how I just get the seeds out. You just rub it with your finger, like bend it backwards a little bit, and seeds come off. And you can use them for bird seed or for planting them next year and stuff. And just be sure to like keep them in, I put them in like a paper envelope or something, so that way moisture doesn't mess them up. These have been drying outside for a long time and over 100-degree Texas weather, so. Okay, I got this fan set up here. I have this on low, and I'm like, I have it kind of like this far away. Anyways, I pick up the seeds, and the ones that aren't viable fly off. And I just keep doing this until they basically quit flying. People used to do this in the Old Testament, and it's like on like mountaintops and stuff because it was windy, on like flat rocks and stuff. And that's how they would separate the seed from the, what's it called, chaff. Okay, so I just got done with this one flower, and I'd say 90% of these seeds aren't viable. Like, I break it in half, and there's nothing inside. Okay, I'm trying to show you the difference. The one on the left is one that was too heavy to blow away from the wind, and you can tell how it's like thicker than this one. This is the one that like blew away. Okay, here's what the inside looks like. The one on the left has a seed, and the one on the right was not properly pollinated. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that that was helpful. Have a great day. Bye.